Hello everybody. So today is a video regarding this. If you're watching any minimal channels or minimalism inspired channels or lifestyle related, cleaner, greener channels, you've probably seen people use this. I see a lot of female bloggers really rave about the Dr. Bronners Castile soap. And I have to say, this is a very interesting situation. I actually had really high hopes for it because they claim it's magical and it can basically do everything. It'll tie your shoes, it'll drop your kids off to school. Like, this soap is apparently, according to all YouTubers out there, magical solution to everyday cleaning issues, and you can clean anything and everything with it. Well, I've tried most of these uses and I am going to tell you about the things that I've discovered. And in fact, it is a very good product for certain things. But I find that when they're showing you, there's the website, they're showing you what you can do with it, and they have 18 uses, and I've tried some of them, at least a few of them. And it is not really good for all of them, I have to say. Therefore, I just want to specify and clarify in case you were interested and you saw people rave about it. What is it actually good for? Like, truly, like, without pushing the uses, just having it function as it should and function well and competing with the everyday sort of normal, non-clean, non-green products. So let's start. Number one, shaving. I've tried shaving my legs with it. It's fine. It works just like any other soap, nothing special, nothing crazy, nothing insane. It's not going to leave your legs extra smooth and silky. Let's just say it works like any other basic soap would. Number two, shampoo. No, don't do it. Horrible idea. It is quite drying, reasonably clarifying, but still mucky for some reason. The hair just feels kind of gross afterwards. Maybe if you have like non-processed virgin hair, maybe it's different. I do have some bleach in my hair, as you can see. I'm clearly not pink naturally, so I have to say I'm not really like, I don't think shampoo can be included there. Maybe like shampooing your dog, which is also one of the uses. So shampoo, I would say no. It kind of sucks as a shampoo. I prefer like a Dove soap as a shampoo. Honestly, it does not work as a shampoo. Sorry, Dr. Bronners, debunked. Dental cleaning. Okay, I got stuff to say about it. This is soap and it tastes like soap, and I've purchased specifically peppermint because I thought, okay, I'll try it as a dental cleaning medium, I guess, instead of toothpaste. And I have to say that was a terrible idea. Although this is peppermint and I was hoping that maybe it'll taste a little bit better, it still tastes like soap. So unless you want to clean your mouth with soap, I would recommend not doing that. I think it's a terrible idea and I don't think it works as a soap. Number four, body wash. Yes, it works fairly well as a body wash. It works like any other body wash does. I think it's fine for washing your body. If you find a scent that you like, go for it. It's okay, no problem there. It works. I didn't have any complaints really about it, and it was nice to have a minty smelling body wash. So that worked very well. Ding! Then hot towel massage. Says for facial packs, scalp, and soothing body rub, add some soap to a towel in a sink of hot water. I don't know how many people are actually doing that on an everyday basis. I generally shower, so hot towel massage isn't something that I can easily do in the shower. I just use either my loofah or not loofah. I have like a little bamboo mitt that I use. And if that's what they mean, it works just fine, but I don't see how that's different from a body wash in that case. So I don't know about that. Bathing, add a squirt to a bathtub, and I've done that and it's okay. I really love colorful, pretty, very nice smelling bath things. I'm a big fan of baths. I don't take them a lot. It's always a luxurious experience for me, and there isn't much that is luxurious with this. Again, if you're taking a bath to wash yourself, this acts like a body wash. It's fine, but it doesn't act like this luxurious bathing experience with beautiful foam and maybe colorful water, and it doesn't really have any moisturizing properties either, so it's not like you come out of the bath feeling like well moisturized. So again, I don't see how that's very different from what a shower gel can do for you, but I mean, it's fine, it's okay. I don't think it's a replacement for my Lush bath products, but you know, it can work. Deodorant. That was interesting. Add 1 to 2 mils to a spray bottle of water, along with a teaspoon of Himalayan crystal salt for best results. I've tried it. Honestly, I was so curious. I tried it and it didn't really work. It just felt like sticky water under my armpits. I think the salt here is doing the job of a deodorant. So, you know, I'd rather just buy a crystal deodorant, you know, one of those salt crystal deodorants, and just use that. I don't think this added anything to the deodorizing properties. So again, kind of a fail. Let's move on. Breath freshener. 1 or 2 drops in a spray bottle of distilled water, and then spray in your mouth. And they again say peppermint, tea tree, eucalyptus, or citrus are good for that. Again, I have to say the same thing as I did with brushing your teeth. Really, all the brushing that happens with the brush. It doesn't really matter what you use, although not, maybe have something fluoridated, but really the important thing is the actual mechanical brushing of your teeth, and that's why it's fresh. Here, you're basically getting a bit of eucalyptus in your mouth, so it feels a little fresh, but the soap doesn't really do anything. If you put a touch, like a micro drop of eucalyptus under your tongue, you'll have the same effect. It tastes funny. I didn't think that it was all that effective, and it was just weird to put soap in my mouth. Baby wash. That works. It doesn't work any better than any other baby wash, but it works as a baby wash as it does as a body wash. So I don't know why they have all of these extra uses, so to say, but it's basically a body wash that is fairly harmless. So baby wash works as well. My kid didn't really care about it. He didn't mind it. He didn't love it. It was fine. And then aftershave, 1 or 2 drops in a spray bottle containing distilled water, invigorate the skin and prevent shaving rash. Again, I think it's whichever oils are here that are probably going to do the soothing, if any. I didn't do that because I decided that enough is enough. Hand soap. Again, same as body wash. It works well as a hand soap. In fact, using it as a hand soap is my favorite way of using it. I dilute it and use it as a hand soap. It works very well as a hand soap and as a body wash. Those are my 2 favorite, absolutely favorite uses of it. So it actually worked really nicely as a hand soap. I agree, really nice. Foot soak as well, especially the peppermint. I did a foot soak with a peppermint one that I had, and that worked really, really well. I do recommend it, but like, honestly, you could soak it in just hot water and achieve a very similar, if not the same result. The smell was nice. It was refreshing. It's nice to have a foot soak after a long day. So totally recommend it. I think it's a good idea as a foot soak. Sure, it works. Laundry wash. So I tried doing laundry with it. They say for laundry, add 1/4 of a cup. Adjust as needed depending on hardness of water. We have hard water. I needed much more than 1/4 of a cup. I used a full cup. It did an okay job, but honestly, it's really not effective because the bottle that you can buy might have 473 mils, so half a liter. But it costs much more than a laundry detergent would. So if you really are into the idea of more, like, I guess, a cleaner option for your laundry, it's fine. It doesn't do any extra stain removing or anything like that. It acts as a liquid soap for your wash, and it works fine. It didn't do anything terrible to my laundry, but I had to use a significant amount, and per dollar cost, it was dicey for me. Pet wash. I suggest that it probably works well. I don't have a pet to wash, but since it worked well on me and it worked well on my kid, you know, using it as a pet wash, sure, why not? I think it's probably fine. Fruit and vegetable rinse. I think that's okay. I don't generally use soap to wash my fruits and vegetables, and I didn't know it was a thing that you really needed to do. I generally just rinse them with water and that's it. But I suppose if you have maybe root vegetables with soil on them or something, or perhaps your vegetables, you're suspicious of pesticides, and you want to make sure that they're off the skin of the vegetables and fruits, maybe. They suggest that the mild unscented one is the best choice. Probably is. Again, I didn't really go for the whole fruit and vegetable rinsing because I generally just do it with water. Pest spray. So it's winter, so unfortunately I wasn't able to test it as a pest spray. Obviously we don't have any pests in our house, but they suggest use 1 to 2 tablespoons per liter of water and spray bottle in a spray bottle for garden pests. They suggest that citrus, lavender, or mild one work the best. I might try it if I purchase this again. I might try it on a garden because we are starting a garden this year. So yeah, we'll see how it works. Unfortunately, due to weather and the fact that there's no gardens in January, I can't really tell. I don't know. Household cleaner. Here they say dilute 1 part soap in 40 parts water. I thought it was okay for cleaning. Cleaning floors was fine. It wasn't the nicest, shiniest clean in the end, but it worked okay. However, I did try to use it as dish soap, as some of the bloggers did suggest, and it was not working well as a dish soap. My dishes were dull, they weren't shiny. After a wash, it just basically left a residue, which I did not like. I suppose it depending on your flooring. For us, we have dark hardwood floors, as you can see behind me, and those really show up any kind of residue left behind by a cleaner. So actually, I'm pretty certain that if I had more than 1 wash of my floors with this soap, it would probably leave a residue as well. And on this type of floor, it shows up much more. But if you have light floors or linoleum or like tiles, for instance, it would be just fine, I'm sure. But for dishes, no. Yes, it does cut away the grease. It does actually function, but the final result is so much more inferior than it is with a regular dish soap. It just looks much better and cleaner after you use a regular dish soap, not because of the actual dirt being left behind, but rather the residue that this thing does leave. So you can basically use it on matter surfaces, not on shiny surfaces. It won't do a good job. So a bit dicey, I have to say. My favorite ways, obviously, as I have said, was to use it as a body wash. You can use it as a face wash. It's a little bit drying that way. Maybe a foot soak, but basically wash your body with it, and you can also wash your hands with it. And I think those are the best uses for the Dr. Bronners soap. I don't think it's a good idea to use it on everything in your house, because there are a lot of things that work a lot better. So mixed bag, I have to say. Reporting back, not the magic that I was hoping it would be. It isn't magical. It does work for certain things. It doesn't work for most things that they list it should work for. So that's it for today. I hope it was fun for you to watch. What do you think of the Dr. Bronners soap? Do you use it like I did? Did you have different results than what I had? And perhaps you can also comment and report back on the stuff that you tried that I wasn't trying, like as a pesticide, like using it as a pesticide, or perhaps using it to wash pets, whatever, let us know if that had worked for you. That's it for today. See you guys later. Have a wonderful day. Happy New Year. Good luck. Bye.